Always give salam
Salam.
for baginda Nabi Muhammad
Sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Thank you for the attention. And I hope
Alhamdulillah.
you always follow
We will.
the real man that he have Jannah, he have a heaven now.
Even.
And I think I want to follow him if we want to happiness. Yeah.
Allah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Very, very awesome. All right. So, your have made me inspired me by your hadith. Even though Prophet Muhammad our leader, best leader around the world. You know what? Without him, this earth never created by our God, Allah SWT. Just because him in this earth, everything is used. Everything is never useless, but everything about that. This is very, very awesome. All right. Any question to Mr.
Awesome.
Arwanda?